As you can see on your screen, these are my statistics as an affiliate on a platform that I'm about to show you. You can see I got 2,739 clicks and I got 126 paid orders. You can see the estimated earning is $2,964.05. You can see the completed orders are 108, and you can see the completed estimated earning is $2,385.27. All these statistics are made it within 7 days. You can see it right here, within the last 7 days. So in this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. The best part is that this method is available worldwide, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to search for aliexpress.com. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on their website. Once you click on their website, you're going to see a page like this. AliExpress is a platform where you can get a lot of goods to buy. You can get goods under any category that you want to buy at a very cheap cost. As a school, you can see many items that you can buy on AliExpress. And the best part is that most of these items are very cheap, so you can buy any of the items that you want and it will be shipped to your location. For example, when you click on categories, you can see they have a lot of different categories of products that you can buy. You can see they have products under home and garden. You can see hair extensions. You can see men's clothing, accessories, consumer electronics, home improvement and lighting, home appliances, automotive and motorcycle. You can see luggages and bags, shoes, and many others. There are a lot of different categories of products that you can buy, a lot of different things. You can see they have beauty and health. So if you want a product under that category, all that you need to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you will be able to find products that you can buy. There are a lot of different categories of products. As a school, you can see a whole lot of products under the health and beauty. You can see a lot of them. Apart from you buying these products on AliExpress, you can join AliExpress as an affiliate. Once you join, you can recommend any of the products on AliExpress to other people. Once you recommend to them, if they make a purchase, AliExpress will pay you a commission. To join as an affiliate, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down to the bottom of the website. Once you scroll down to the bottom of the website, you can see affiliate program. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to join AliExpress as an affiliate. For example, let me click on it for you to see affiliate program. Once you click on the affiliate program, you're going to see a page like this. You can see they have about 150 million plus products that you can promote on AliExpress. So you have a lot of choices to make. You can select any category of products to promote. The commission rate is up to 9%, and you can see hot products you are going to be earning 90% of the price of the product. So if you promote any product on AliExpress, some of them you are going to be making 9% of the price of the product. Others you are going to be making 90% of the price of the product. And you can see they are available in over 200 countries. So wherever people click on your link, they can make a purchase and the product is going to be shipped to them wherever they are in the world, and you are going to be paid a commission. It is very easy to join as an affiliate. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, register. Once you click on register, you can enter your email address to register, or you can use your Facebook accounts to register, your Google accounts to register, Twitter, Apple, any of them that you want. You can use it to register for a free account. Once you register as an affiliate, you can be able to promote any product on AliExpress and you're going to be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. The affiliate program, it might take up to a week, 5 days, 2 days. It might take some time before they approve your account. So if you apply as an affiliate, you have to be patient so that they can approve your account. Once they approve your account, you can go ahead and then begin to promote any product that you want on AliExpress. Once you apply for the affiliate program, if you are approved and you log into your accounts, you are going to be seeing a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to create a link so that you can share that link with people to purchase the products on AliExpress. To create a link, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, tools. Once you click on tools, you are going to click on link generator. Once you click on link generator, you can create a URL of the homepage of AliExpress, or you can create a link of the URL of a specific product. So as you can see, you can read the details here so that you can get more details. For example, if you want to recommend the website to people so that when people purchase any item on AliExpress, you'll be paid a commission. What you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the URL of the homepage of AliExpress. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your affiliate portal. Once you come back, you are going to paste the URL of the homepage of AliExpress. Once you paste it here, click on get tracking link. Once you click on it, your link has been created successfully. This is your affiliate link. So if you promote this link, once people click on it, they are going to see the homepage of AliExpress. So they are going to see a page like this. Once they make a purchase of any of the products on AliExpress, you are going to be paid. Apart from that, you can promote specific products. For example, if I want to promote the store that is selling this shoe, what I have to do is that I have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to get the URL of the store. Once you click on the product, you can see this is the product, and you can see this is the name of the store. So if you want to promote the entire store, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy the URL of this store. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you can come back on your affiliate portal and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click on get tracking link so that you can get your affiliate link that you can promote. But when you look at the top here, you can see this item is currently not eligible for the affiliate program. It means you can promote this product as an affiliate. So you don't need to promote this product. There is a warning here, do not promote it. If a product is not allowed to be promoted by affiliates, you can search for a different product that is allowed to be promoted by affiliate. So let me click on the related items. So let me click on this one to see if affiliates can promote it. So let's wait. Once you click on it, you can see this is the price of the product. You can see this product right here. Within some time to indicate whether I can promote it or not. As for this product, it is available for affiliates. You can see the commission rate. If you promote this product, when people click on your link directly and then purchase the product, you are going to be earning 10% of the price of the product. So you are going to be earning 10% of this price, which is $3.91 to $4.89. So you are going to be earning in between this amount. If you promote the entire store, or if you promote the entire Alibaba homepage and then people purchase this product, you are going to be earning 7% of the price of the product. You can see you are going to be earning in between $2.74 to $3.42. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So if you are promoting the product directly, you earn 10%. If you are promoting the entire store or the homepage of AliExpress and people search through the products and purchase this item right here, you are going to be earning 7%. That is indirect linking, but for the direct link, you are going to be earning 10%. A product like this, you don't need to create a tracking link because they have a tracking link for you. So you can see it right here. Get link as text or image. So if you want the text link, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see tracking link. You can copy it and then promote it. If you promote it like this, which means it is direct linking, so you're going to be earning 10% of the price of the product. If you want image link, you can click on it and then copy the image link so that you can embed it on your website. Now once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting the product. You have to find a traffic source whereby you can promote your link and then get people to purchase the shoe for you to make money. There are a lot of different traffic sources. You can use paid traffic source, you can use free traffic source to get people to purchase the product for you to earn a commission. Since the commission is very low, it is advisable to use free traffic, because if you use paid traffic, you might not make profit. The commission rate is very low, so it is advisable to use free traffic. But if the price of the item is very high, you can use paid traffic source because your commission rate is also going to be high. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to promote this product so that you can be making money. The traffic source that we are going to be using is gap.com. This is a social media network where you can post your items for free. You can create any post about anything and then post it on the platform. If you want, you can post on your timeline. So just write something. Once you write, you can add images of the product. So you can click right here and then upload images of the product that you are promoting. Once you upload the images, you are going to write some brief information about the product that you are promoting so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to earn a commission. Apart from that, you can also promote your product in the marketplace. They have a marketplace where you can promote your products. For example, let me click on marketplace. Once you click on marketplace, you can see other people who are selling different items on this website. You can see people are selling vehicles. You can see a whole lot of different items. As a school, you can see people are promoting products and health and wellness. You can see many other products on this platform. You can see a whole lot of different items that people are selling on the website. You can also sell your item on this website so that you can get people to purchase it. If you want to sell on the marketplace, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create listing. Once you click on it, you can see add media. So you have to add images of the product. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come back and then highlight the name of the product. Just highlight the name of the product. Once you highlight it, you are going to search on Google so that you can get images of the product. So search for the name of the product on Google. Once you search for it, you can see images. Once you see the images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to right click. Once you right click on the image, you are going to select save images so that you can save the image onto your device. So click right here, save, so that the image can be saved. You can save as many images that you want. Once you save your images, you are going to come back, click on add media. So what you have to do is that you have to add the images of the product, add the title. Once you add the title, add the description, and then enter the price of the product. Under the description, what you have to do is that you have to enter your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. Apart from this website, there are other platforms that you can promote your affiliate link. You can also come on this website, freebestads.com. On this website, you can post your ads under any category that you want. They have a lot of different categories. So any product that you want, you can post it on this platform. And the best part is that you are not required to pay for anything. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can select any country that you want. They have a lot of different countries that you can select and then post your ad. A whole lot of different countries. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are also going to post the item on this website so that we can get people to purchase it for us to make money. To post an item, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Select the place where you want to post your ad. You can see in the United States, these are the places that you can select to post your ad. If you don't want the United States, there are other countries that you can select. Once you scroll down, you can see other countries. You can see London, you can see Southwest, you can see other countries. So any country that you want, you can select and then post your ad. In this case, we are going to be posting our ad to people who live in the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to select any location that you want. In this case, I'm going to select Cambridge. So click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you are going to select the category. In this case, we are going to select sale. Once you select for sale, the next step is that you are going to select the subcategory under for sale. You can see clothing, shoes and accessories. So we are going to select that category because we are promoting shoe. Once that is done, we are going to enter the title of the product here. You can come back on AliExpress, copy the title of the product. Once you copy the title of the product, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see location. We have already selected that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then copy the description of the product. So just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see the description of the product is an image. You can see it is an image, so we can copy it. When you come under the specifications, you can see everything. Customer reviews, you can see everything. So we are not going to copy anything. What we are going to do is that we are going to paste the title of the product as our description. So just highlight and copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, just paste it here as your description. Once that is done, you are going to type a call to action. So just type something like, click here to get access to the shoe, something like this. Click here to get access to the shoe. Once that is done, you are going to insert your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on AliExpress. Once you come back, click on text. You can see get link as text. So click on text. Once you click on text, you are going to click on copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this globe icon. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. So paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, click on OK, and the link has been inserted. Just leave it. It has been inserted. Once you scroll down, you can see this is the preview. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you are going to upload images of the product. We have downloaded images of the product, so just click on it and then upload the images that we downloaded. As you can see, I have uploaded the images of the product. Once you upload the images, you are going to scroll down. You can see promote your ad. If you want to promote it, you can click right here and then select any of these promotional options. You can see if you want to promote it for 90 days, you're going to pay $5. 180 days, you're going to pay $8. 270 days, you're going to pay $12. The whole year, you're going to be paying $16. In this case, we are not going to select anything. You can see extended hours. If you want, you can click on it and then select any of the options that you want. But in this case, we are not going to enter anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest. You can select that. Once that is done, you have to agree to the terms of use. Once you agree to it, you have to scroll down and then click right here, post now, so that you can post your ad onto the platform. Once you click on post now, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. No activation is required, so your ad is live on the platform. You are going to get people who click on it and then purchase the product for you to earn money on aliexpress.com. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.